Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Kirby Lambert Rain here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like this video please, and you know what, if you feel to subscribe, that would be awesome. So let's get started, guys. This is a fantastic one and we're gonna do a little bit of maintenance and see what's going on the inside on a Kirby Lambert custom Rain. So you're gonna need a T15, you're gonna need a T8 and a Torx bit screwdriver to take this guy down. We're gonna start from this scale over here, which by the way is Vintage Paper Butterscotch micarta, and this these are titanium dual anodized screws, T8. Look at this, that's pretty cool. So this guy goes there. Liners is here. For the liner we're gonna need a T6. Look at this, and this is pretty it's a little bit easier than the other Rain that I have, because this one doesn't have a floating backspacer, so you don't have to deal with 4 spacers to suspend, let's say, the backspacer itself. So then this is gone and this is in. T15 for the pivot, which is coming off nicely like that, and it's out. Keep it pinched, all right, and then pull the blade out and then let it rest, and then gentle wiggle, really gentle wiggle, no pressure, no rush. Take your time, and should come off. It should. I mean, it's supposed to, right? So just a little wiggle, maybe. You know what? Let's try to push out the pivot. So that's going to be one less point of. So that's the stop pin that is pretty much stuck, but that's not a biggie. Let's remove the backspacer. And again, take your time, gentle wiggle, see what is up. So let's just do this and that. Look at the jeweled liners on the inside. I mean, yeah, that's attention to the detail in my books, right? We have these there's some thick grease here, which we're gonna address in a second. Like that. Just clean the blade. The inside, this is dragon skin, Damascus, so it's prone to rust, and we have to make sure that the blade is coated with a thin layer of mineral oil, which we're gonna do in a second. First, let me just clean this. That's pretty thick grease that Kirby is using, and that's gone. This guy is out. Like that. All right. Pivot, it's clean. Bearings are clean, but you know what? We are gonna do a little improvement over here. By the way, just check this detail. I'm not gonna say anything, just check here. Yeah, that's pretty amazing, right? So this is clean. This is also pretty clean. And we are done with the cleaning, so we're gonna take a little bit of mineral oil and just do something like that, you see? So I'm just gonna rub in this area over here, see? Just like so, just to give a little coat on the inside, where usually you're not able to access this area because of the bolster that is covering everything. So this is like here. A little bit there, and we're going to do the tip after, when the blade is assembled, correct? Maybe just a little bit like that. Look at the structure of this dragon skin, very cool. So that is it. Cap the oil, which, if you're wondering, that's the oil that I'm using. So I'm just wiping out the inside of the track of the, look at the signature of Kirby going on down there, pretty cool. Yeah, that's it, that's in. And we're going to do a little bit upgrade. We're going to install skiff bearings, which you can see that are pretty different than the original one. So the cage, you know, the ball bearings, it's much different. And let's see how it goes. That is going to go together with the 10 weight nano oil and 1, 2, and 3 drops of that in. The stop pin is going to be in, like so, and blade in, and 85 weight nano oil. Where is it? This guy, right over here. It's gonna go just like a little drop, something that was just a bubble, like on the detent ball, which in this case it seems to be ceramic. And you got 1, 2, 3 more drops for the second bearing going in like that. You've got the washers, the spacer, sorry, that is there. So this guy, before doing that, wow, this is snug. Good job. Before doing that, you know what is a good idea to do? Just pop these two guys in like so. Keep it vertical. Take your back spacer, do the back spacer like this, and align everything. So now you have everything aligned. You see, just push down and release the tension, and that is ready for business. So it means you need the T6 back for these guys. Oh, I'm just noticing here there's the hole for the lanyard pin, which didn't happen in this case. So like here, I suggest you to do this. Just give it, you know, a nice and tight squeeze. But then you're gonna squeeze here. All right, so like that, and you're gonna take your T15. Don't mount the scale yet. So release the tension. Grab your pivot screw T15. Like that, coat the inside of the thread just a little bit, pinch that, the pivot is in, release the tension, so just go all the way. We're gonna check that in a second, change, get back to the T6 and see, it goes further, a little bit, and that's what you want to do before putting back the scale. So this can be in, scales can be like that. This guy needs a T8 to go back in place, like so. Same thing for this. Which is in place. Now, these two guys are going away because we are on skiffs now. Blade, let's check now the pivot and the centering and everything. So let's make sure everything is done nicely. So, okay, so blade is perfectly centered. Action is just, guys, yeah. By the way, you know, this clack, it's unique. No other knife I have is clacking like that, and this is a beauty. And actually, before saying goodbye, let's just finish the thing with a little coat, as I said, on the tip of the blade, something like that. You see, the blade just shines now, and it's protected from the rust. And here you have it. This is how you maintain your custom Kirby Lambert Rain. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.